up, YouTube? Mr. Schmelly here once again with another video. And today we're finally going to start putting videos into the MMPR playlist I have there. It's been there for a bit. Starting off with the Power Rangers Lightning Collection Pink Ranger. Alright, let's look at the box. We have Pink Ranger with lightning on the back. It's the Lightning Collection. Sabant Power Rangers Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin Pink Ranger by Hasbro. Jibba Jabber on the bottom, of course. Yeah, I've had it for a while. It's pretty beat up. Again, the Pink Ranger on the side. The Pink Ranger with her bow and accessories. Just pink on the top. And that is it. So, accessories. Like a blast effect for her bow. It's a little warped. There you go. See-through clear pink. Pretty cool. This mimics this right here. Actually, which is her little bow. Or arrow, I mean. Which is her arrow. Her bow. It will connect to the other ones eventually. So that's my opinion on both sides, but I guess you can't really if these things are gonna be on there, right? That's her bow. Her power blaster. I think that's what it's called, or just her blaster, I guess. Later on they release one that's folded up as a blade, I think. The extra, or the fist hand, and the karate chopping hand. And the extra head, which is supposed to look like Amy Jo Johnson. You could sort of see it sometimes, but then they missed it. It's not perfect, but it's creepy. You know what you're trying to look for, but it's not there. But you can see it sometimes at an angle. I don't know. It's fine. So, the figure itself. The colors are, well, on mine it's a little bit off. They missed the mark for the most part. It's right there. And then Silver Mouths, I mean, you see Power Rangers, you see MMPR here. The colors are different. You can probably see it on the camera. But this pink is different from this pink. And this pink. And this pink. But I'm not gonna be too picky about it. But it's good. You could remove the head and put hers on it if it wants to go in. There we go. There you go. So that is her with her head now. Let's take that off though. Put this back on. As for articulation, That is Articulation. Feels very, I don't want to say gummy, but scary at some points. It's like it's very fragile. Hey, look, it's like, don't I know? It goes further, it goes kind of back. Oh god, see that? It's creepy. I don't know. I guess I'm not gonna be doing this, but you know. Point. So you could store the gun in here. Oops, you store the gun in there. Like that. Or you can hold it like that. Pew pew pew. Or okay, let's just put this here for now. So we get her holding her bow. And then we'll use this hand to hold here this, like this. And then like something like this. Something like that. Or if you want that pull down, a little later. This might be trickier though. And get her to hold it. I don't know, something like that, I guess, maybe. To compare her, let's go with I guess X23. And I think they size up pretty well. Later on, we just compare it to the other Power Rangers, I guess. But that is the comparison. And that is pretty much it. Power Rangers aren't perfect. Color's off. It does feel a little flimsy, a little like gummy or loose, but I'm enjoying them. It's nostalgia. I mean, that's what they're selling, I guess, nostalgia. These faces aren't perfect, but they are decent. I mean, decent amount of accessories. I mean, it's Pink Ranger, and they're MMPR. No, I'm pretty sure, hopefully they'll improve later on. I think they have, like with the release of the monsters and all that. But I think this is good enough. I'll accept it. If you didn't like these figures, comment down below. But, as always, if you like what you saw, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you disliked the video, just dislike the video and tell me why you didn't like it. But as always, I want to say thanks for watching. Power Bob! You know.